What is up, YouTube? It is your man Tweet and Konnichiwa to all of you, and welcome to another episode of Did I Improve? And now today, before I even start anything, how was you guys' Christmas? Did you guys enjoy your Christmas? Let me know down in the comment section if you got anything. If you didn't get anything, I'm just glad that you lived to see another Christmas year. So we're going to be drawing Wonder Woman, and didn't really have I really had a lot of options on the way I could have done this, but the way I chose, it's very unique. I have to say, this is very unique and very, like, I don't know, it has this Disney vibe to it. I don't know, you guys are gonna see it, you guys are gonna like it. I'm actually not gonna talk through this one. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the process. We're gonna compare from what I did in 2017 and up to now, so 2-year difference. That's what I drew it at, so yeah. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy. guys, we have reached the end of the video, and now we're able to compare the 2017 Wonder Woman versus the 2019 Wonder Woman. So as you see in the first one, I made the skin very, very too dark. Not dark, like I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just putting stuff together. I didn't have any type of background of coloring or shading. You can see the stars are out of place. The anatomy is off. I was just doing whatever. I was trying to go for the Justice League from the cartoon version. As you can see, I failed miserably. But let's take a look at that 2019 version. As you can see in the 2019, what I did was I took some markers and I did something lighter, something more bright, because Wonder Woman is a very bright character in my opinion. She's very strong, very poetic, very masculine. You know, she's very masculine. She's very, very strong. So I took a masculine approach with this, and I wanted to make the color stand out. So I brightened up her skin. I brightened up her outfit, and I made her hair brown because for some reason, yeah, I did black in the 2017 version, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, something that I've never seen before. I don't think I've ever seen Wonder Woman with brown hair before, and I think this looks really, really good, and it kind of does give you that little Disney vibe, but she will beat yo behind, so don't go messing with her. But in my opinion, I am for my 2019 version, of course, because I did learn how to shade better, how to color better, how to sketch faster, and I think I did improve. But it's not for me to decide. It is up for you guys to decide. Let me know down in the comment section, do you like the 2017 version better, or do you like the 2019 version better? Or if you like both, let me know down in the comment section. And I want to leave you guys with this question. Who is your favorite female DC superhero? And if it's not in DC, who is your favorite female superhero overall? Let me know down in the comment section. I do read those comments, and I would like to know. It's very interesting to see. But guys, that is going to be it. And as I always say, peace and sayonara.